Hello friends, I am Pradeep Yadav. Today I am making a video on the request of my subscriber. So in this video I am going to discuss how you can record your laptop screen, because sometime whatever we do on laptop, if we want to record in form of video, so we can use whenever we want. So there are many applications which are used for recording the laptop screen, but today I am going to discuss about very simplest and user friendly application. By using that you can record your laptop screen easily, and also there is no any watermark, so you can use your video whenever wherever you want to use that video. And also I have already mentioned there are many applications available on the internet, you can download and install and use, but today I am going to discuss about one of the best no screen recorder software, you can say, because I am going to talk about Active Presenter. I think many people also aware of this. So for showing the working of that application, I have to switch over to my laptop. So I am going to show the working of that software in my laptop. This is my laptop view. So I am going to tell you about that software which I have discussed. So firstly you have to open Google and just type Active Presenter download. When you are going to type this, you will get so many links. Firstly you have to click on this link. When you click on this link, here you can find Active Presenter here for Windows and here for Mac operating system. Whatever you required, just download it. Okay, after download, install. Okay, so I am not going to download it because I have already downloaded and installed. Here you can see the icon of this, and also here you can see the icon of this. So I have already installed. And why I am talking about Active Presenter, because I think this is best and easy to use software. Okay, so now by clicking here you can on your Active Presenter. When you have opened this, you will get this type of user interface. Here you can see blank project, record video. There are many options available. Whatever you want to use, you can use. So if you want to record your desktop screen or laptop screen, just click on here, record video, and here you can see there is a box. You can select area. If you want to record all the screen, then means full screen, then you have to click here. Otherwise you can customize, and also you can select area. Here setting for audio. Here suppose you are using a microphone, then you can click on this button, and there is many functionality. It's totally depend which type of functionality you are going to use. And here this is for webcam. If you want to on this webcam, just click on here, your webcam will be on. And also suppose you are using external or internal, whatever webcam you are using, you will get list of here, then you can select. So this is a simple interface now, and when you click on this button, your recording will be started. And if you want to stop the recording, you have to press Ctrl End. So by this you can stop the recording. Now let me show you how you can record PPT, because one user has asked me how I can record PPT. That's why I am making this video. So let me show how you can record your PPT. Suppose here there is a PPT. Just let me open. Firstly you have to open your PPT, then press on this record button. Otherwise maybe you can face problem. So let me open now and just make it F5. Okay, now click on this button. Means recording is on, and whatever I am doing on this system, it's okay. So I have moved from 2 or 3 slide. So recording is going on in background. If you want to stop the recording, just press Ctrl and okay. Now your recording is complete. There is no any time limitation. If you want to record video of 2 hours, 3 hours, you can do it. This is very easy, and this is free of cost. So you have not pay any money for this. Now your recording is complete. When you are going to stop your recording, you will get this type of user interface. Now here there are many options. If you want to use animation in this video, you can do. Okay, if you want to suppose implement some zoom, there is a facility, you can use zoom here. Video, if you want to increase the volume, reduce the volume, everything whatever you want to do, you can do. So because this is a very good application that is available free of cost, and there is a many various functionality available. If you want to use, then you can use. Why I am discussing this application? This is a very easy, because I have made many video using this application, and you can record video of 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, and also here you can see many functionality available. Whatever you want to add in this video, you can add as like zoom and pan, check box, button, drop area. Only you have to select and just drop where you want to implement that. So here you can get various functionality. That's why I am recommending this. If you want to make video using your laptop screen, something like that, so you can use this application. Now how you have to convert in this video, just press here. After pressing on export, you can see many options. Suppose you want to convert in video, just click here, and whatever you have recorded, that will be converted in MP4. Here you can select format. There are various format available. You can select MP4s, whatever, MKB, is totally depend upon you. Okay, now only you have to press OK. When you are going to press OK, now this recording will converted in video. So let me show you. Just wait, it will take some time to convert your video. Okay, now near about this is completed. Okay, if you want to see your video, just press yes. Now video is completed. Here you can get your file in document. Okay, now let me run this video. Also you can export your video directly YouTube. So here you can see. Okay, now you can upload this video on YouTube. Wherever you want to use this video, you can use. So this is process how by using Active Presenter you can record your laptop screen. Also you can make it save. If you want to change later on, definitely you can make changes in this. So this is process how you can record a laptop screen. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel, also comment on this.